What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update on this crypto called Magic, which is a new listing on Binance, and as you can see it has gone up over 120% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, major increases here, so that's what we're going to be going through in today's video. Is it a crypto to buy? Is it a crypto to wait for it to see how it does, to invest into it, or should you avoid it at all costs? That's what we're going to be going through. A highly requested video. As you can see, it's currently sitting at 86 cents right now. So where is it heading to next? How high can it go, or how low can it go? And looking at its prediction in December, and especially going into 2023, is this a must-have crypto, or should you avoid it? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are looking at the candlestick pattern chart right now, but we're not going to be doing any analysis at the moment. We'll be doing that later on in the video, once we look at its overall view of the cryptocurrency. And obviously it's a crypto that's been around for a while, but it was only listed on Binance. When was this? Let's just confirm it. It was a new listing today or yesterday, not longer than that. But yeah, that's essentially what we're going to be doing in today's video. So as you can see on let's have a look here. On the 12th of December at 8 AM is when it got listed. So earlier this morning is when it got listed on Binance, about 6-7 hours ago. So going into the Coinbase website, we can see the market is down just over a percentage. However, Magic has managed to gain the top spot in the top gainers list, gaining over 74% right now. And as you can see, in the last hour, it has taken quite a drop, 10% down. But the only reason for that is the major increase that's taken place since this morning. We can see it, it's been very volatile, up and down, but overall it is moving in a positive direction, which is what we want to see. However, I will always mention this, guys, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase, exactly like what's happened here, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies to Magic as well. So is it gonna drop back down? Let's have a look. So weekly, 47% up, and over the month it is up 220%. We can see it going up in value here in early December, as also earlier this month, about a week and a half ago. We can see it increasing in value here as well. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 1,100% up in the last 24 hours, which is absolutely insane. And as you can see, the trading volume right now is sitting at $54 million, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Magic. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto right now, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, meaning more and more people would be investing into the crypto. So let's get into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So zooming into the daily chart, we can see here the blue and the orange line are both looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected. However, we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently giving us the average value of Magic, which is 47 cents. However, it is trading at much higher value, nearly double its value at 85 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming in here, as I mentioned earlier, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what we should expect on Magic over the next couple of hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting an overall minimal drop in value on Magic. Nothing too crazy, it's not going to be a major drop, but do expect it to slowly and steadily start to come back down in value. Don't get me wrong, we are going to see green candles in between, we are going to see red candles, it's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome is what matters, and at this point it seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So yes, guys, an overall drop in value. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We've got the blue line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially, we've got two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one's looking bearish. So once again, an overall fluctuation in value is what we should expect from Magic over the next few days. So towards the end of this week, I'm expecting Magic to be more or less trading around the 70 cents target is what my predictions are as of right now. However, this depends on how the crypto market performs, how Magic performs in specific. Obviously, it's a new listing on Binance, and most cryptos, when they do get listed on Binance, go up in value and then slowly start to drop down. And again, a similar pattern is likely to take place for Magic as well. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks now, we're looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So an overall minimal increase in value is what we should expect around mid to late January 2023. So heading towards the $1 mark is what I'm expecting by late January, early February. Again, it's going to be a slow process. That's what we want to see, a slow and steady increase in value. We don't want to see it, pumping up out of nowhere to $1 and then dropping back down to 60 cents. That's not really reliable. It's not a really sustainable project. We want a slow and steady increase in value. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator now and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to at least $1.69, which we are not too far off from. However, it does require over nearly 100% increase, which I'm not expecting from Magic anytime soon. So for the rest of the year, very likely we are going to be stuck in the red zone. However, as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in the opposite direction, heading towards the green zone, by let's say late February, early March, we should be heading into the green zone. But again, guys, we still got a good 2 to 3 months left for that, and anything can happen in between that time. We can literally see a lot of crypto crashes or crypto pumps as well. Hopefully we see more pumps than crashes over the next 2 to 3 months, but again, it all depends on how the crypto market performs. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Magic, guys. What I want you guys to do is comment down below what your expectations are. Are you guys investing into it? Are you guys selling it? Or are you guys just looking at it thinking, you know what, let's wait for it, let's wait a few days, see how it performs? It may just drop back down to 40 cents. You never know, guys. Crypto nowadays is very volatile, especially how the crypto market has been performing. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. Just a quick one on Magic, a highly requested video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.